I'm Jamie Gilbert, President and CEO of the Oconee Economic Alliance. The Alliance is the economic development organization for Oconee County, South Carolina, but we cannot do the things that we accomplish on the economic development front without great partners. So on any typical project, whether it's an expansion of an existing industry or it's a recruitment of a new company, our partners fall into several categories. They're the utility providers, our electric, our natural gas, our water and sewer. The utilities are critical, and those are represented by individual providers such as Blue Ridge Electric, or it could be the city of Seneca or the city of Walhalla providing water. But when we work with projects, we have a team that comes together, and that team will meet with the companies and find out what their needs are and how we can best address them.
Hi, I'm Celia Myers. I'm the City Administrator for Walhalla, South Carolina. We are a local water supplier here in the city of Walhalla. We have a very knowledgeable team that will meet with you at the onset to decide what size line and meter that you need. We have incentives to help you if you need to expand. We do provide lines down to one of our industrial parks here in the county. We not only serve the inside city limits, but also quite a while outside of city limits as well. But we stand ready to do what we can to help you.
I'm Steve West. I'm with Duke Energy, based here in the upstate. We have been a part of the upstate, and particularly Oconee, for many, many years. We're blessed to have a large nuclear facility here. It's been here for, I guess, over 50 years now, and it has certainly been a positive experience for Duke in Oconee County, and hopefully that's a two-way street. Job one at Duke Energy, as it is at pretty much any utility, is to provide a safe, reliable product at a competitive price. A big part of our responsibility, of course, is to have adequate generation and capacity available. That's more important now than it has ever been in my 38 years at the power company. We are blessed as a region and as a state with tremendous growth, and our job is to stay in front of that. Largely a big part of our power in the state of South Carolina is generated via nuclear. Our ability to take advantage of that towards zero carbon is huge. 100% renewable power. We are embarking on spending several $billions on renewable assets. That'll include solar and batteries and possibly even some wind. We have pumped hydro here in Oconee County. We are looking to double the size of that facility in the coming 7 to 8 to 10 years. We're also extending the license of our nuclear plant so that we can maintain a good, strong, zero carbon generation base. Part of our mission at Duke is to always be outstanding corporate citizens. We are involved with all economic development because economic development really is a classic example of teamwork, and we want to be a good teammate and be sure to do our role.
Hey, I'm Joey Hawkins. I'm Director of Gas Control and Industrial Relations for Fort Hill Natural Gas Authority. Fort Hill Natural Gas Authority, we've partnered with Oconee Economic Alliance for 20 years since it was founded. We love existing industries. As a utility, we work 364 days out of the year to supply that one coldest day to make sure that everyone has natural gas supplies. When we're talking about the Economic Alliance, it's really a community of people that are coming together. The Alliance was created to bring everyone in one room where we can have conversations. Jamie does a great job with presentations, telling us what's happening in the community. It's like coming together with family. I'm fortunate to be able to serve as the chairman for the Oconee Economic Alliance for 2023 and 2024.
Hi, I'm Chad Dalton, Manager of Economic Development and Key Accounts here at Blue Ridge Electric Cooperative. At Blue Ridge, we provide safe, reliable electric service to our industrial clients here in the Oconee County area. Blue Ridge has been a leader in the economic development efforts through our partnerships with the South Carolina Power Team, Blue Ridge has the ability to offer incentives and grant funding opportunities for businesses that are currently in Oconee County or looking to expand in Oconee County. Being a member of the 20 cooperatives of South Carolina, Blue Ridge is in a position to provide funding in the form of grants or incentives when industry needs that funding. Specifically, Blue Ridge has the ability to provide the grants for site advancement funds, site readiness funds. The importance of Oconee County and their economic development efforts, along with the support from Blue Ridge and other cities in the area, we've made the investment in substations, in electrical assets, infrastructure to provide that power to those large loads. Since 2012, Blue Ridge Electric has been an integral part of the Oconee Economic Alliance organization. Blue Ridge is a member of the board and participates at the board level. And the OEA is a public-private organization that supports the economic development and I would say for the quality of life too for Oconee County. But Blue Ridge has been an integral part of that from the beginning and will remain a part of that for years to come.
One of the keys to being successful is to bring in the private sector. Our board is made up of our utility companies. It is made up of engineering firms, general contractors, and other businesses. And so we get to hear from the private sector about what is most important and what we can do to be a better community to serve not only our existing companies, but also the recruitments of new ones. Partnerships are invaluable and they make Oconee County a top shelf for business location.